Okay, hello everybody. I am quite surprised that I actually found this Dobby the House Elf doll for the Harry Potter collection by Mattel. I found it quite rare. I don't think I've seen it in many places, so I was lucky to find this one on Amazon. So it will be really fun to see him with the rest of the collection. And if I put him next to Hermione, his size, okay. I am not like the biggest Dobby fan, but I'm more Hedwig fan, and I haven't still the Hedwig doll. Dolls. Will you call it a doll when it's just an owl? But yes, but of course I think that Dobby is a character. If you want to collect all the characters, you should have Dobby as well. And he has his sock to be free, and it's the same color like Hermione's socks. And there's only one. You can never have enough socks. He's kind of cute, and a bit soft, like softer plastic. Like this is simply jointed, but he is what you expected from a Dobby doll. And you can change the dress if you want to. What does it say? It says, oh, I can't remember. Yeah, DM wheel. That's to say Warner Brothers EI Mattel 2020. I like his ears, and he's quite cute. He has the cute look on his face. You can see it. Listen. So when you put him next to it's Hermione, it's just to show the size. Where's the sock now? Hold his sock, or he can't wear it, it's too small. That's really cute. He is really cute, and you really need a Dobby for a Harry Potter collection. So I'm very happy that I found this one. It's a bit cheaper than the other dolls as well, even if they are not very expensive these days. But this is, oh god, blood on my hand. Oh my god. I cut myself before, so oh. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. You could actually put the sock on Dobby, so it wasn't too small. It's one sock, so you can store it like that. Okay. Okay, bye.